Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by powering both monitors and your computer. Use HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C cables to connect each monitor to your computer. If using a laptop, use the dedicated HDMI or USB-C port on the laptop body. Set each monitor to the matching input source using the monitor buttons. Turn on both monitors and boot the computer normally. Open Display Settings now to identify which screen is labeled 1 and which is 2 for arrangement. Open Display Settings and locate the Multiple Displays drop-down menu. Choose Extend these displays to use 2 independent screens and not duplicate. Drag the numbered displays on screen to match their physical placement on your desk. Click Apply so Windows saves the layout and resolution settings like 1920x1080 at 60Hz. Select a primary display by clicking Set as Main Display for the taskbar and primary application windows. Close settings after confirming mouse movement flows between screens. If windows do not behave, update your GPU drivers through Device Manager or the manufacturer app. Adjust each monitor's resolution and scaling individually to match 1920x1080 or 2560x1440 for consistent text size. Set refresh rate preferences like 60Hz or 75Hz in advanced display settings for each monitor. If a monitor remains blank, reseat cables, swap ports, or test with a known working cable to isolate the problem. For laptops, change the lid and display power settings for external display behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.